Welcome, bag lovers, designers, and DIY people. Welcome, strangers. If you are here for the first time, I am Rosa, and this channel is everything about fashion bag making, crafts, and DIY projects. In today's video, I'm going to make a simple tea-based bag from felt fabric. As you can see, I am attaching my pattern to the fabric using masking tape. Next, I will use scissors to cut around my pattern. Also, I just put a weight on the paper to ensure it would not move when cutting the fabric. Next, I am attaching the double-sided tape to make the seams flat. The patchwork fabric was homemade from small A4 sheets, which is why they have seams. If you are interested in how to make fabric like this, click the video which will be visible at the end of this one. Back to preparing fabric to stitch, I recommend using a flat iron instead of double-sided tape because the tape is really hard to remove from the needle and can cause trouble when stitching later on. But usually double-sided tape is used when stitching manually, when hand stitching, especially leather fabric. Also, to flatten the seams, you can use a bond folder. Bond folder also is mainly used to work with leather fabric, but is doing the job over here. As you can see, I folded fabric in half, and here I am top stitching the sides of my bag, and I will repeat it on another side. Once the sides are done, I'm going to open holes which are not stitched and close them diagonally, creating my T shape which will form the base for my bag. now it's time to flip upside down my bag and see the results. To do bag handles, I use scraps of felt fabric. The first step here will be stitching them together using the top stitch, folding them and stitching the long edge, and finally flipping them upside down, which is tricky. I use my thumb, but you can use any other object, preferably the long one, to do this. To secure two pieces of fabric in the right place, I used pins, which I removed as long as I was stitching. Before we return to our bag handle, I want to show you how I use ribbon to create a top finish for my bag. Again, I use double-sided tape, which is not the best idea. I had to find other solutions because I do not have flat iron. However, flat iron and safety pins will do the best job over here. So once your ribbon is ready to attach to the edge of the bag, you just place half of the ribbon to the inner part of the bag and second half to the outer side of the bag, and then top stitch. And this is the final effect. I hope you like the bag, how it looks like. I didn't put lining inside, I wanted to leave it rough, and I think it looks really pretty. So now we're going back to our handles. So I flip upside down my bag again, and now I just place my handles and secure them by pins. Once I will be happy with the place of my handles, I will just top stitch and make a little square to secure my handle to the bag. And now it's time to flip upside down my bag again. This is the last time we have to do this, and voila, bag is ready.